Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility and securing accounts. First, confirm you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours or the shorts threshold. Once confirmed, enable two-step verification to protect your channel. Next, link or create an AdSense account and set country and payment details. Then, organize recent uploads into 3 to 6 playlists and update titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to meet content policies. This increases approval odds and shows YouTube you're ready for. Now you apply and prepare for review. Go to YouTube Studio Monetization, then start the application and complete each required form. Don't skip the AdSense connection step. While the review queues, audit your channel for copyright strikes, community guideline issues, and ensure videos are public. Also set the correct audience designation, confirm not made for kids where accurate, and add channel keywords. These steps reduce delays and make the reviewer's job straightforward, increasing the chance of timely approval. Finish by monitoring the application status in Studio and configuring monetization features once approved. Enable ad formats, channel memberships, super chat, and connect analytics to track RPM and viewer retention. If your application is denied, don't panic. Read the provided reason, correct the specific issues, document your fixes, and wait 30 days before reapplying. Finally, make incremental improvements to thumbnails, upload cadence, and compliance. These practical actions reduce future rejections and help monetize fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.